Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the decimal subtraction using 9's complement method and 10's complement method. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive, link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. We'll see the perform 841 minus 329. We need to perform the decimal subtraction of the first number is 841, second number is 329 using 1's complement as well as 9's complement and 10's complement, right? Before that, first we will see the normal subtraction. Normally what we are doing is 841 minus 329 is 512. So in the 9's complement and 10's complement we will verify whether we are getting this answer 512. 849 minus 329, right? So the answer is 512. Now we'll go to the 9's complement method. This 9's complement method, we need to find the 9's complement of the second number. That is, second number we need to find the 9's complement that is added with the first number. So the subtraction, decimal subtraction, we are got using complement means first number is added with complement of the second number, so that we can perform the addition rather than subtraction. So that is the advantage of the 9's complement. Both in 9's and 10's complement we are going to add the numbers. So the 9's complement of 329, second number 329 is, how to find the 9's complement? This 329 is every digit is subtracted from 9. Here 3 digits are available, so it is subtracted from 9, right? 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 3 6, so 670. So the 9's complement of 329 is 670. Now what we need to do, the first number is 841, the 9's complement of 329 is 670. Now we need to add these two numbers. That is the advantage of 9's complement. We need to perform subtraction. For that what we are doing, first number is added with the 9's complement of second number, right? So the first number is 841, second number is 329, the 9's complement of 329 is 670. Now add these two. So 1, 4 plus 7 11, balance 1, 9 plus 6 15. So what we got, 1 5 1 1, right? This 1 is nothing but a carry. So we are performing the 3 digit numbers. First number is 841, 3 digits. Second number is 329, 3 digit. So we got 4 digit answer. So this 1 is nothing but a carry. So the carry is generated. Carry is generated mean what is the meaning? The answer is positive. Add the carry with the final answer. Add the carry to this number, so that we'll get the final answer, right? So this 1 is added. So 511 plus 1 is 512. See this, we already verified that the normal subtraction we got 512. So in the 9's complement also we got the answer as 512. So the 9's complement means each and every digit is subtracted from 9. Then this number is added with the first number. If the carry is generated, the meaning is the answer is positive and also in the true form. Add the carry to that number in order to get the final answer 512. Now we'll verify with the 10's complement. So in the 10's complement, now we'll verify with the 10's complement. First we'll find 9's complement, then we'll go for 10's complement. 9's complement of 329, we already discussed. 9's complement of 329 is every digit is subtracted from the 9, digit 9. So 999 minus 329 is 670, right? So this is a 9's complement. How to find the 10's complement? In this 9's complement, by adding 1 we will get the 10's complement. So 670 plus 1 will get 671, right? So this 671 is the 10's complement of the second number, right? The second number is 329. While getting 9's complement, it is 670. By adding 1 we will get the 10's complement 671. Now we'll add this number with the first number. So the number 1 is 841. So the 10's complement of second number 329 is 671, right? So we need to add this. 1 plus 1 2, 4 plus 7 11, 8 plus 4 8 plus 11, balance 1 is there, 9 plus 6 15, right? So now we got 4 digits, 1 512. So the carry is generated here. Here also carry is generated. What is the meaning is the carry is generated? The result is positive and in the true form we can ignore the carry. In case of 9's complement, the carry is added. Now no need to add the carry. We already added here. 10's complement is already 1 is added. So no need to add this carry. So we got the answer 512, right? So in this video we discuss about the decimal subtraction using normal subtraction, 9's complement and 10's complement. In all the cases we got the answer as 512, right? Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.